Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift mild hybrid from 2026. Based on this car I will show you how to check any Suzuki paint code. Follow me. Firstly we have to locate the sticker with the VIN number. In Suzuki the sticker is mostly located right here on the passenger door jamb. Take a look at the sticker. Right here we can find color and then 3-letter code. This 3-letter code is code of your paint. Next, you can go to the website, for example coloranddrive.com, and as you can see right here we've got ZNC, which is Platinum Metallic Silver, ZNC. That's how you check paint code for your every Suzuki. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.